Hi, this is Eric Don from OmniFit, and I want to ask you a quick question. That question is, how do you deal with pain? Is pain inevitable as you get older? That's the main question I want to ask. How do you deal with it, and is it inevitable as you get older? So, let's get into it. So the thing we know with pain is as we get older, typically, most of us feel more of it as we get older, which is pretty much normal. But I want to ask you, is it inevitable? And how do we answer that question? Is it inevitable? To some degree, let's be honest, our bodies are like machines, and the more we use them, the more you're going to add wear and tear on your body. But does that mean that all pain is inevitable? Well, my answer to that is no, because I'm going to talk about three main things, and consider these 3 points. Are you doing any of these 3 things? Number 1, are you moving? Are you moving? The thing we know about movement or exercise is motion is lotion. The more you move, the more it loosens your body up. So if you feel a lot of pain, do you even go out for a walk? Do you do any sort of light exercise? Motion is lotion will make a huge difference in terms of your pain. Number 2, what is your diet like? What kind of foods are you eating? What we know about pain, and if it's arthritis, for example, inflammation in your joints, if it's arthritis, for example, inflammation in your joints can be really heavily influenced by what foods you eat, but also what foods you don't eat. So for example, are you looking and taking foods like that have a lot of omega-3s? Are you also eating foods that don't increase inflammation? But on the other side, are you eating foods that do increase inflammation? For example, like cheese and sugar and other things that are maybe not so great for your diet. So your diet. Number 2, what are you eating in regards to your pain or inflammation? And number 3, and it kind of goes along with point number 1, do you stretch? Do you stretch? You would be shocked how much of a difference stretching can make in your life. I know for myself personally, I've been guilty in the past of not spending a lot of time in stretching. Yes, I exercise, but I also notice with myself, the more you're someone who exercises or is active, the more you need to stretch. If you're someone who is inactive, the more you need to stretch. So stretching, add that to your life, makes a huge difference in your pain. On that note, that's Eric Don from OmniFit. We're done. But if you have any more points that you can see that really make a difference in terms of pain, please leave that in the comments. I would love to read those also. That's it for today. Take care.